up, everybody out there in Warhouse YouTube land? Out of Steel here, the creator of the War Machines, has got a new fun one. This is the third attempt, and I think final, and without too much tweaking here, the finish on what I'd like to call the Jaeger. And so, the bicep, unilateral and bilateral, and multi-directional and pronation, supination bicep curl in a isolateral preacher stance. Thing's pretty cool. The idea kind of funny. It came to me when I was watching Pacific Rim with the robots. I just really like this thing. So just like how it works, it's just really fun. Really enjoy it. I had an idea in my head of how I wanted it to work and where I wanted to see it as far as the movements with both short, long, supination, pronation, different types of movements. So really, really insanely dynamic as far as that goes. And so I came up with like a box channel pivot, 2 moments on the arm, as well as a spinning swivel with the grip on compact section bearings. I knew what I wanted to look like, and essentially achieve coming up with such a highly dynamic and very different, never seen before movement, with like having essentially taking physiological and bodybuilding stance to thinking about, okay, what do I want to achieve with the position? I want to achieve like bodybuilding here. We're doing the crab, your front bicep. I wanted to have like something that was comfortable. Depending on your height, you can kind of just slope into it. You can stand up. You can sit side to side. And so with that, it just came to me. I started drawing it. I built one about a month or so ago. Didn't really work out. It was seated. It didn't do what I wanted to do. So I chopped it up. And then I built like a standing preacher curl with the same hardware. Again, didn't quite hit what I wanted. And so with that, I chopped it up again and completely reimagined to the Jaeger series you see right here. With the cable, as far as the motion with the arm, with a cable set to where as you rotate the bearing arm, it lifts the cable. And then a strut on another pivot, bushing bearings that allow it to take and counter the weight straight out from the arm, and that allows it to kind of set forward. So as it comes up, it rotates straight. So I think that's really, really fun and interesting as far as the biggest thing with preacher curls and like whether it's like the hammer strength belt hole, a selectorized and or plate like the hoist, is having the absolute same dynamic from the very top peak of the range of motion all the way through to the very base, being exactly the same with no change in resistance in the range of motion, without it being too hard at the bottom, dropping off at the top, or vice versa. So with that, I just really wanted to create something that I believe needed to exist. And so this is the Jaeger Bicep Pro. And so super fun. I really like it. It came to me, drew it out. It's been modified. We've had a lot of awesome reviews with the setup. We use Cordura and upholstery foam, and it's just been super crazy. But yeah, the thing is awesome. We're gonna have the tutorial on this here at the Warhouse on the YouTube. There'll be a link to this video as well for the tutorial with this video. Make sure to check it out, like and subscribe. Gonna be doing some fun new action stuff with our YouTube with the super things. We'll appreciate it. Let us know what you think of the content. We're going to have the whole War Machines how-to series. So when you get to visit the Warhouse, you'll be able to understand a bit more of something that you've never seen before and how to approach it and make it user-friendly. So I think that's going to be really awesome. So definitely like and subscribe, and appreciate you guys, and we'll see you back here at the Warhouse.